Alright, motherfuckers, we're back. Let's see what's going on right here. So, as you can see today, I made $406. Pretty small day. That's because, if you look here, we had FOMC. We had a bunch of red folder news. So, due to that, I only traded one or two contracts and right at market open because I expected the chop to be pretty much all day today. So breaking it down, we have very similar actually to yesterday. We have previous day high, previous day low, and then this volume imbalance that is still being tapped into again for a second time. And then basically my only bias on the day was we had this 4 hour fair value gap from yesterday. And since we had tapped into this daily volume imbalance during Asia session and we had broken structure back down during London, I expected us to come down and fill this 4 hour fair value gap, which as you can see we did. In terms of why I actually got into this trade, as you can see we'd been selling off from tapping into this daily volume imbalance, clearly in a downtrend, and all I really wanted to see is, let's see, market open is right here. And what I saw, which I liked, which, once again, if you guys were here for last video, is 15-second time frame, is the smoothest thing. If you guys haven't tried the 15-second time frame, pay a little bit extra money on TradingView. It's like $26 a month, and you get 15-second time frame. It'll change your life. So we had a small push up, and we rejected off of here, immediately breaking down, creating this fair value gap, creating our 15-second breaker block. And my favorite entry model of all time is breaker block plus volume imbalance. And if you want to even add this on again, we have another fair value gap here, which, I mean, when these are all laying inside of each other, pause, you can't ask for more confluence in a trade. So sold one here, and then on the retracement, I added at the top of this fair value gap just to maximize my profits and get the best fill possible. As you see, we retrace back up into the 15-second breaker block, and then originally I had my target set at constant encroachment of this 4 hour fair value gap. However, looking to the left, I saw we had relative equal lows and decided simply to target these relative equal lows you see right over here. Oops. Damn. These relative equal lows. So only $400 in the day. I just wanted to get a quick scalp in before, I expected the market to move a little bit like this for the rest of the day. Not super clear price action. So that was it, done for the day. Only two contracts. The beauty about this trade is I'm only risking about $150 to make $500. So can't be mad, can't be complaining. In terms of the rest of the week outlook, let's see what we got going on. I mean, I expect us to come back up and take all-time highs after filling this 4 hour fair value gap. It looks like we're respecting it pretty well. And in terms of draw and liquidity, right, we have one all the way down here. Another 4 hour buy side fair value gap, and then these little low hanging fruit of sell side liquidity. But do I think we're coming all the way back to here? Maybe. But I would like to see us, after filling this gap, move higher, take out this daily volume imbalance, fill this gap, all gaps must be filled, before continuing higher into all-time highs. And that is it for the day, y'all. 400, can't complain. That moves our total to 4,500 on the week. In terms of news for tomorrow here, if you guys want to see, 406 on the day. Total profit for this week is 4,400. My total loss, now this is what I want to point out, you guys. My max drawdown has been $610. My max run up at 3,808. My standard deviation, my standard losing trade is only $88 versus $322. That's where it really comes down to it. As long as this is above 50% and these are like a 3 to 1, so that's all you need to worry about. People focus on, hitting the home runs, the $5,000, $10,000 days time and time again, but those only present themselves so often. So today was all about consistency, getting in and out, and then more importantly, not over trading, being done for the day. I wanted to scale back in. I ended up going to class, and I took this short on paper trade after we took out this minor buy side liquidity. Dropping down, filling this inefficiency. But most importantly, not over trading, taking my profits, being happy for the day. I'll probably withdraw. The thing that sucks is since this is a new Apex account, my payouts are capped at $2,000, so I'll have to take $2,000 payouts for the next 5 weeks, which is kind of why I'm building a buffer. Over here, 53.8. I'll probably push up to 60 before I take any profits, but I will keep you guys updated, and that's it for a really simple day, really simple trade, but profit nonetheless. I'll see you guys next time.